Land Cruiser 2014 model, changing of tensioner belt. So ito po yung position ng time na tensioner belt, stack up bearing, and also the tension of the spring. So this is the new one. Need to replace this one. So we need to open the cover, timing cover, and then lose the steering pump and also the alternator, this one. So that is the easy way to change of the tensioner belt, Land Cruiser BXR 8 cylinder. Thank you. Okay, this one, and also the belt. This is the belt. I will return the old one. So good.